Happy Monday morning, challengers, and welcome to week number 6 of the Holiday Health Challenge. You guys are kicking butt. It's been amazing. We're 5 solid weeks in and a stone throws away from being finished with this holiday season, believe it or not. 2 weeks left till we finish up this group and slide into Christmas and actually just kind of get a cap off on this entire new year. So I got to say, it's been so fun to do this entire event with you guys. I've talked with so many of you guys. I've messaged with many of you guys. I've seen the comments below here. There's so many changes happening and so many victories that are happening and so many people making a difference in their life and their health. So congratulations to all just for watching this video. You guys are still here. You guys are supporting other people. It's been really incredible. And I want to just additionally remind you guys and congratulate you guys on just living an on-purpose holiday season. It feels so good. And I know you guys feel it too. So with that being said, I'm going to keep this week really short. You guys know what to do. It's progress posting time. So down below in the comments below here, I want you guys to post a picture, be anything progress related or anything that matters to you. You guys know what to do. Keep it fun, keep it simple, but something that shows progress on something that's important to you or a victory that you've had. And then I got 4 steps for you this week. We're going to keep it really simple. I know there's 4, but they're actually really easy. So number 1 is post just progress that you've made during this holiday season that you're proud about. It can be numbers on the scale, victories you've had, anything, you name it, something you're celebrating. Number 2 is I'd like you guys to post something that you learned through this holiday challenge or that you learned from somebody else or something that stood out to you or something you were inspired by. It could be anything, but just we learned so much from other people. I thought it'd be really fun to display that and what we've gotten here. And if you guys haven't learned anything at all, I highly recommend Susan LaBelle's Health Huddle from last week. It was an amazing topic. Number 3, because support and encouragement is most important, I want you guys to tag someone to encourage them to post here today. So challenge them a little bit to get in the game here. Maybe someone that you know is having fun that you want to see their victories on, or someone that, I don't know, just anyone. Support is so key. Let someone know that you care about them and that you're thinking about them. Then number 4, because this is such an important time of year, and this is where most people get really stressed and forget what's important in their life, and this is a whole group of people living on purpose, I want you to do something extra for someone somewhere today in the world. It's Monday morning around 10 a.m. Do something that lifts someone up today. A little something nice goes a long way this time of year. And what happens is most of the time people pay that forward because it changes the whole trajectory of their day and their week. So something today that's something extra for someone. Buy them a coffee, send a compliment, do a gift, hold the door open an extra long time. It doesn't matter. Do something small for someone around you today and lift others up. So that's what I want you guys to do. And I want to congratulate you guys. 2 weeks left. Let's finish up this Holiday Health Challenge strong. I'm really looking forward to the winners and all the stories that come as we cap this off, and also hearing some of the stories of the victories we've had here. So post down below. I'm looking forward to seeing them, and you guys all have an amazing week 6. Keep it up, everybody.